Welcome to 4030 Reunion Point Lane. Come on inside. The home features open concept living with hardwood floors and beautiful coffered ceilings. The open airy kitchen features a lot of natural light, a 6-burner Thermador range. You have a sink in the island here, along with some stainless steel BOSCH appliances. The kitchen even has a second island for some extra countertop space and also dining. Check out this extra space off the kitchen and living room. You have room for seating, another sink, a beverage cooler, and even a large stand-up wine cooler. Another feature of the home is an in-house elevator to take you to the 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms upstairs. And talk about your amazing outdoor living. Step right out of the main living area onto your screened-in porch with a beautiful lake view, 2 gas heaters to keep you comfortable. There are 5 ceiling fans on this screened-in porch that spans more than 80 feet long. Now, let's check out the master suite. The master bathroom features a large tiled walk-in shower, dual vanities with granite countertops. You also have a laundry room for convenience. And you gotta come with me for this one. Check out this master closet. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you would like a private showing of this luxurious waterfront home, please reach out to us at Donna and Team New Bern.
Well, now I get low and I get high, and if I can't get either, I really try. Got the winds of heaven on my shoes. I'm a dancing man, and I just can't